Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can cancel your Allure beauty box subscription. All official methods you can see on your screen, so let's get started.
Method 1. Cancel Allure Beauty Box via phone call. You can dial the support number of Allure Beauty Box and tell them that you wish to cancel your subscription. Dial their help number 800-2741603 and you will be connected to one of their representatives. Tell them that you want to cancel your subscription to Allure Beauty Box and do not need to receive the packages anymore. Provide them with your personal and subscription details that they may require for your cancellation. Do ask them for a confirmation message when your subscription cancellation is done. And you are done. Method 2. Cancel Allure Beauty Box via email. You can also interact with the support department of Allure Beauty regarding your subscription cancellation via email. Open the default email application on your device and compose an email for your request. In the subject box, write down Cancel Allure Beauty Box and then request them to cancel your subscription. Provide them with the required subscription or other details and ask for a cancellation confirmation message when done. After you are satisfied with the email, send it to beautybox@allure.com. They will get back to you accordingly. And you are done.
Dear friends, by using this method you can easily cancel your Allure beauty box subscription. Hope you like this video. If yes, please hit a like button and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.